Ang bola kay Donan. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Drenimol. Inaagaw ni DVDK, nakared, dumiretso. Hinangat ni Donan, naagaw ni Donan ang bola. Pinasa, inaagaw ni JC. Binato ni JC ang bola, naagaw ni Donan. Donan to Junrei. Junrei slides into the paint. Pinasa kay Commissioner. Pull up. Good for 2. Ang bola na kay Junrei. Pinasa kay Donan for 3. Bam! Jokes right. Good for 2. Bo slides into the paint. Binomba. Good for 2. Junrei to Commissioner Ace underneath. Good for 2. Reverse it. Donan lab pass to Commissioner. Easy 2. Junrei to Jokes. Back to Junrei. Junrei of the glass. Bata pula pinasa kay DK. DK natapik. DK for the jumper. Good for 2. Bogstrom time. Hang time. Good for 2. Donan looking for 3. Pinasa kay Jets. Jets pull up. Good for 2. Martinez to Bogs. To Batang Red Ball. Good for 2 of the glass. Ang bola na kay Junrei. Pinasa kay Donan for 3. Batang Red. Pull up of the glass. Commissioner Ace driving inside. JC to Martinez. Oh, what a move by Martinez. Boom slashing against Commissioner Ace. Good for 2. Donan nakatingin sa 3-point line. Tumira ng 3. Oh, friendly roll. Batang Red for 3. Mentes, tinabik ni Bogs. Nakuha ang bola ni Batang Red. Floater. Good for 2. Ang bola na kay Jets. Hinangas ni DK. Pinasa kay Jokes. Jokes. Tumiretso. What a shot. Martinez. Jumper. Good for 2. Bobs has the ball. Set a 3. Bam. Yes, Jokes. Crossover. Up Mentes. Nakuha ni Donan, pinasa kay Junrei. Good for 2 off the glass. Donan dribbles the ball, pinasa kay Jets. Binalik kay Donan for 3. Bam! Yan, Commissioner Ace. Dribbles the ball, crossover. Dumiretso, coast to coast. Oh, easy 2. What a shot. Pinasa ang bola kay DK, muntik na maagaw ni Jets. Pinato kay Bogs. Easy 2. Junrei slides into the paint, pinasa kay Commissioner. Pull up, good for 2. DK naharap kasama, pinasa ni Martinez, pull up, good for 2. Both dribbles the ball, pinasa kay JC for the layup, good for 2. JC inbound, 2 Bogs, tumira ng 3, bam! Martinez, jumper, good for 2. Inbound ni Aaron, dribble ni Jokes, dumiretso, speed 2 defenders. Oh, what a shot, easy 2. Inbound ni JC to Martinez, pull up, good for 2. Inbound ni Jets. Pinasa kay Aaron. Aaron. Pinasa kay Jukes. Jukes. Dumiretso. Pinasa kay Aaron. Oops, time out muna. May gustong pumasok. Gustong mag-sub. May gustong mag-sub sa Team AMADOS. Donan. For 3 again. Bar. Martinez. Sideline layup for 2. Bogs for 3, let it fly. DK to Bogs, back to DK. Off the glass. Jerick inbound. Pero naagaw ni Martinez. Martinez, pinasa kay Bogs for 3. Jokes again. Lumusot sa dalawang depensa. Pasok. Good for 2. Martinez to DK. DK. One hand, no good. Put back, good for 2. Donan naghanap ng kapasahan. Pinasa kay Commissioner Ace. Oh, what a shot. Easy 2.